You know nothing of handling your liquor, Jon Snow. Winter is here, and Game of Thrones star Kit Harington was forced to face it head-on after being physically removed from a New York City bar Friday night while he was in a drunken haze, TMZ reports. The British star, 31, got the boot from Gramercy-haunt Barfly after he reportedly got aggressive during a game of pool by banging on the table and grabbing cues. TMZ video obtained by TMZ shows Harington looking distant and being restrained by fellow bar patrons while trying to get in a round of billiards. He is eventually escorted from the spot, and can be seen arguing with the bar's security team. A witness told the gossip site the actor left the bar after being asked, but later returned, and was eventually physically removed. David Wexler, for New York Daily News. Barfly had no comment on the incident when contacted by the Daily News, and Harington's reps did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Harington rose to fame as fan favorite Jon Snow on HBO's wildly popular fantasy drama Game of Thrones, which the network recently announced would return for an 8th and final season in 2019. Not pictured with the actor Friday night was his fiancée Rose Leslie, who starred on the series as his on-screen love interest Ygritte.